Hello, so today I'm going to be talking to you about the effects of failure to register a debenture with the Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC. Now, a debenture is a debt instrument. It's an instrument by which the company acknowledges its indebtedness to a third party. So, for instance, a deed of mortgage would be a debenture in respect of a company. If a company is a mortgagor in a transaction, now, CAMA, the Companies and Allied Matters Act, requires that within 90 days of creating a debenture, that the company should register the debenture. What would be the effects of failure to register? There are four things listed under Section 222 of CAMA as the effects of failure to register. The first is that the debenture becomes void against the creditors and liquidators of the company, which means the creditors of the company, so that's the third parties the company owes, and the liquidator. Liquidator is a person who's appointed for the purpose of winding up a company, would not recognize that debenture, which is unregistered, as being binding on the company. So it becomes void against the creditors and liquidators of the company. The second thing is that the loan agreement is not void ab initio, and the mortgagee can recover the loan. So this is basically saying that even though the creditors and liquidators may look at this debenture as being void against the company, not binding, it doesn't mean that it is void ab initio, all right? Because the mortgagee, the person that is owed, can still recover that money by some other means, for instance, by instituting an action in court for debt, recovery of debt. The third thing here is that the loan amount becomes repayable immediately as the debenture is rendered unsecured. The collateral is lost and the debt becomes a simple debt. So there is no security anymore for that loan. All right, there's no collateral that protects it. It becomes a simple debt which can be demanded to be paid immediately. And then the fourth thing is that the interest of the mortgagee is then equitable and it loses priority over the registered debentures. Now, you know, with loans, with debt instruments, if you have one that is a legal mortgage, for instance, it ranks higher in priority over an equitable mortgage. All right, which means the legal mortgagee is always paid first before the equitable mortgagee. A legal mortgagee is a person who has conveyed legal interest as security for the loan that was taken. Equitable mortgagee is where it's equity that has been transferred as interest to secure the mortgage. So where the debenture is not registered, it becomes equitable and not legal. And so it loses priority over other registered debentures. So those are the four things that CAMA, the Companies and Allied Matters Act, states would be the effects of failure to register a debenture with CAC. And I hope you've enjoyed learning that and you've understood something new today. And I would see you again some other time. Bye for now.